Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying a mascara hack which I recently saw by Alexandra. I'll link her video in the description bar. I've tried this for a couple of days and it works so well, especially if you are somebody who struggles to get your lashes to stay curled. Now for me this doesn't tend to be so much of a problem. When I curl my lashes and I put mascara on, they tend to stay there. However, if when you apply mascara your lashes tend to fall down again, try this hack because it is brilliant. It's also phenomenal at adding volume to your mascara. I have a mascara that I really like, however it is slightly more fluid than I would like it to be. It does make my lashes look a little bit limp, so I wanted to show you how great this is at adding volume. So it works like a mascara primer but even better. So I'm curling my lashes with my rephr eyelash curlers. I like to tilt them back slightly because this does give a bit more of a bend to the lashes. So this is what we're working with. We're going to take the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion because that's the one that Alexandra used in her video. And this has a very soft doe foot applicator. So I'm going to do one eye with the primer so you can see the difference. You want to basically blink along the belly of the doe foot applicator, so then it will coat your lashes. You can also give it a little wiggle if you like. You just need enough that you can see that your eyelashes turn quite fair. Make sure you get the very inner corner lashes as well. Then you want to take a clean spoolie brush and just work through that. It will separate the lashes. It will also help them to kind of coat all the individual lashes from front to back, and it will make sure that nothing's clumped together. And then on my other eye, I'm just going in with the mascara straight away, no primer to the lashes. This is a lovely mascara, and up close like this it actually looks better when you've got no primer on because obviously all the lashes look a little less dramatic and softer. However, when you take a step back it really is quite underwhelming because obviously in comparison to my body and the size that the lashes then look at a distance, it is very less dramatic. And then when you give that a couple of minutes to dry, you can see my lashes have fallen slightly. They're still upright and they still look nice and curled, but not quite as much as when the mascara first went on. Having done this eye, it's given us a chance for that eyeshadow primer to kind of set in place. Now this does get quite messy because I have quite long eyelashes. So because the lashes are a little bit more rigid from the eyeshadow primer, when I apply the mascara they do touch the lid. So you will need to clean up either as you go or at the very end if you have quite long lashes, because you will find that the primer does make them again slightly more rigid. Now we can compare the left to the right. The left side has the primer, the right side doesn't. You can see a huge difference. Also the left side is standing upright a little bit higher. So not only does the primer add volume, it also aids the ability for your lashes to stay curled for longer. And although they might look quite twiggy this close up, from a distance they do look very voluminous and really pretty. Now I'm going to take Dr. Sam's Flawless Cleansing Water, which is a new product of hers, and I'm going to remove the mascara from my right eye. It's actually my left, but you looking at it, it's on the right. So I'm going to use this just to remove the mascara from my eyelashes. This micellar water is brilliant for that. Then I'm just going to allow them to dry before going back in with my rephr eyelash curlers. Now remember to give them a good pinch. Don't forget to rotate them back slightly, but only so it's comfortable, and don't take them off too early because otherwise you won't get much of a curl. Once you've done that, you want to go in with your primer potion, again blinking onto the length of the doe foot applicator to coat all the eyelashes. Make sure you concentrate on the areas that are most sparse because this is really going to give you volume. Then go through with your spoolie brush just to make sure they're not clumpy and just to help separate the lashes. Don't forget, give it time to dry before you go in with your mascara. So I've given it a few minutes, the eyelashes themselves have gone a little bit more rigid, so we're going to start blinking onto the mascara. It is really important to make sure you coat both sides of your lashes. Not only will it give them a little bit more volume, but it will also make sure that you haven't got any white when you look down because it won't coat the back unless you coat it yourself. So now I've done this eye, I'm just going to show you the before and after. The left side we didn't have any primer on, but the right side you can see we have, and it is a huge difference. So let me know what you think. Would you give this a try? A massive thank you to Alexandra for sharing this mascara hack because I think it's brilliant. Please do give the tutorial a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Come follow me outside of YouTube over on Instagram, and I will see you on Thursday with another video. Bye guys!